In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to stop delay in eFC26. First of all, if you are experiencing input delay or lag in FC26, the first place to check is your settings. Then if you are on PC, remember that sometimes the issue can come down to your computer's power. If your system is struggling, no amount of settings will completely fix it, but we can still reduce the lag by adjusting a few options. And to do that, we need to go to settings, then head into game settings. One of the first things to look at is the hypermotion overlays. These overlays add extra visuals on the top of the gameplay, and with so much happening on screen, they can cause stutter. Simply turn these overlays off to help smooth things out. Next, go into the graphics tab. Here you will see the graphic preset settings. This controls all the visuals at once, and it goes from low, medium, high, ultra and auto. If you are facing input delay, lowering these from high or ultra down to medium can make a huge difference. You can also fine-tune specific options like crowd quality, cloth quality and grass quality. Setting these to medium instead of high will improve responsiveness. Finally, turn off motion blur since it doesn't help gameplay and can make input feel less sharp. So turn off overlays, lower your graphic preset to medium or tweak the heavy options individually and disable motion blur. This should give you much smoother gameplay with reduced input lag. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.